Time for a new bird feeder. So along with that, I gotta build a new hook. The other one was a little too flimsy for our new feeder. So we're going with 3/4 inch re-rod. And then I decided to make it a little fancier. I'm gonna add these standoffs on the top. And I'm gonna hang this this chain, all this stuff I found at swap meets. What I decided to do was kind of hang this chain in swoops, weld it to the top of these posts, just kind of for a bridge-like design. Got this little roof too that I'm going to put on there. Chain will go through that. Then of course, we need the bird feeder, so that'll hang underneath that. I have to cut this a little bit, add it to another one. How should I clamp this thing? This way? No, wait, no. Yeah, that'll work. I should be able to saw through this pretty quick. Oh, look at that. What is the temperature we're working in the garage today? 36, it looks like. Looks like I need to weld and grind for a while. Finally, time to hang it. And if you didn't notice, this is a spinning squirrel flinging feeder.